Spencer says, what about eBay's built-in white background editing in the phone app?
Two things. The phone apps really stinks. And I strongly suggest that you list from a desktop or a laptop or a Chrome notebook or something like that. You get more options. But the desktop version does not yet have that white background remover. And you can use your eBay app's phone to take eBay app to take all of your photos, start a listing, take all your photos. And then once you do that and get the white picture for the first one on each one of your listings, then go to a computer and finish it, because on a computer you get far more options. eBay's trying to change that so that the listing tool is identical on both a desktop and a cell phone. And then they are putting that on that new, improved, they say, listing tool, the white background remover on a desktop, laptop as well, tablet as well. So you will have identical listing tools on both, and then it won't really matter what you use. And a lot of people are happy with eBay's white background remover. I'm not. I think it's very weak compared to PhotoRoom and remove.bg, but it can work great. It can work great. I find it works great if you have clothing, just something that's a pretty standard item, and you put it, believe it or not, on a wooden floor, like a wooden floor, and have very good lights hitting it. eBay can kind of outline that and make it work. But eBay has a lot of reason to give us a perfect white background photograph, and I promise you they're working on making that better.
I'll ask, did you use Amazon's app for a white background, then use that for eBay?
No, because I want to list fast, and remove.bg is just so much faster. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.